Alright, so we're just going to trim this, the top and bottom of my panel, and the length of it's already to full length already. And yeah, we're going to get this on the way. Done now, we got parallelism. Yeah, so I want to check the square. Right on at 1460. Whatever. Okay, we're bang on here for measurement. That's good. Okay, so there. Okay, so I have a cutout for a speaker, and we're going to put speaker material in this space, and yeah, it should look really nice. Perfect. Okay, so what we can do, we're going to use the table saw. We're going to plunge one side, and then we're going to just simply cut the other side for this. And I'm thinking about doing my plunge here, and then we'll plunge this side, and then run it through, and then we'll just simply cut this, that, and this will just fall. Okay, so I know that. Okay, so I want my space to be 478 mil, or that's 18 and 13/16. And we got two cuts. This is centered, this is equal. And so yeah, first thing we're going to do is make this plunge. Okay, so this plunge is at 12 1/8 left on this side here of meat. And yeah, we'll just go from there, 12 1/8. That worked out good.
Stop. I want it. I got it.